Glenross leaving Kalutara, Cinnamon Pool Villa Tour. 2 kilometers from here to the bungalow. I love this road. You can see the villas from here. Here we are entering to the bungalow. This place is so calm. Here we are going to the villa. Let's go inside. I'll show you the balcony view later. Let's go downstairs. The TV area. No words to say. The view from the bed. They have a 7-course meal. This is a bit from which we selected. The view. Bye bye. See you in another vlog soon. Thank you for watching.